For the past few weeks, I've covered a few different ChatGPT topics. The potential to be used to create advertisements, and more recently, can it replace humans as software engineers? Today, I'm talking about AI being used in an experiment with digital healthcare. Mental health has been a growing area of public interest since the late 1980s. We've seen a surgence of people looking for mental health resources, even very recently with the outbreak of the pandemic. However, when you look at the numbers, mental health care workers are understaffed, with one report from goodtherapy.org stating that it finds that there are 30 psychologists per 100,000 people and only 15.6 psychiatrists per 100,000 people. Then add on other facts like rural areas having less mental health professionals than cities due to lack of funding and infrastructure. This has created a supply and demand problem. With massive patient loads and growing technology, it's no surprise that mental health is now looking to take on experiments to see the benefit of ChatGPT. But at what cost? And is it ethical? Researchers are now in the early stages of trying to understand how to safely blend AI tools with the natural empathy offered by humans providing support, like that is provided by counseling websites. But with that research comes a lot of questions. How do counselors feel about getting help from AI? How do patients feel once they find out? And then the ethical questions. When do you inform patients that they are participating in an experiment? This has caused a gray area where traditional trials have oversight, and with these experiments, this does not exist. One such company performing these experiments is Coco, a free mental health service and nonprofit that partners with online communities to find and treat at-risk individuals. As of early January 2023, Coco has begun using GPT-3, a neural network machine learning model, to develop responses to 4,000 users. While it is reported that people opted in to use this feature, do people really read those pop-up messages? Just like, do people really read through an app's EULA? Especially those that are most vulnerable and seeking help? The experiment has led to numerous raised concerns from health and tech professionals alike, calling out Coco for its unethical approach and claims of violating informed consent law that is federally mandated. While Coco's co-founder refutes this claim, this is another area where ChatGPT and similar AIs have found themselves in hot water. Bottom line, as Arthur Kaplan, professor of bioethics at NYU stated, ChatGPT intervention is not standard care. No psychiatric or psychological group has verified its efficacy or laid out potential risks. This is Katie Grigg in Alexandria, Virginia.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.